Welcome to our channel where you will learn how to save hours of your time every single week. If your business accepts e-transfers, then this video is for you. I will show you how to easily track payments you have received via INTERAC e-transfer. To get started, you'll want to make a copy of the template I created. There's a link in the description below. So once you get that open, you can click make a copy. You'll be able to see this screen here. And then from there, you'll want to go into extensions and app script, which will open up your script. From here, make sure that this line or this drop down says install, and you'll click run. What it will do is add a time-based trigger in this section here. And every morning at 6 a.m. or somewhere between 6 and 7 a.m., it will automatically look in the label that we will create in your Gmail account and then move the e-transfers from that label into your spreadsheet here. So go ahead and click the run, and it will bring up your option to review permissions. Select your account, scroll down to advanced, and then the bottom grayed out line here to allow the permission, and then click the allow button. Now this script is good to go. You can flip back to your spreadsheet now, go up to our menu and click import e-transfers. Now go over to Gmail, refresh your page. You will see on the left side here, there's an e-transfer and a sublabel called processed. So what you will do is any e-transfer that you receive or the notification that you receive in your email, you can click and drag that and bring it over to e-transfer. So I will test that here. Drag, drop into e-transfer, go back to your spreadsheet, and as I said before, this will run every morning at 6 a.m. or somewhere between 6 and 7 a.m. Or you can run this manually by going into our menu and click import e-transfer, and it has imported it here. So it will bring in the from name, the amount that the e-transfer was in, the reference number, the date that the email was received. And if you click this link here, it will open up the email thread directly. And then once you have recorded this payment in your accounting software, you can go ahead and check that off. So every time that a new e-transfer gets sent and you move it into that label and then the script runs, it will automatically push the newest e-transfer to the top of the list if it is marked as incomplete at that point. The other thing that you can do is, let's say this one has been recorded and you click this view button. It will bring up a filter and only show you the unrecorded e-transfers that you have received in your checklist here. So that way, if you end up having a long list of e-transfers and some get lost in the process or get ignored for a while, you can go ahead and click that button. It will bring up anything that has not been recorded in your accounting software. The last thing I wanted to show you is back in your Gmail. If you click e-transfers, you'll see that there is no longer a thread in that label. But if you go down to the sublabel below it under processed, you will see that the email has now been processed and moved into that label. So that way it allows Gmail or allows the script to recognize what emails it should and should not be looking at. So that's the end of this video. It should be pretty straightforward. And if you have any questions, feel free to send a message or leave a comment below. One other option for you is to automatically move these emails into the e-transfer label. So the way you would do that is you'd select the checkbox here, hit the three dots, filter messages like these, go down to create filter, make sure it says from and it has the correct from address. Click skip the inbox, mark as read, and apply label, and then select the e-transfer label from here and click create filter. And then that way every email that you receive from Notify at Payments will be automatically moved to e-transfer folder, and then from there the script will run on its own.